everybody, this is Laura, City Scrapper. Thank you so much for joining me. Today I have an unboxing of a Pinkfresh Studio scrapbook grab box. Pinkfresh Studio has these available every now and then, and I have to admit I usually do pick one of them up every time they're offered. I really like them, and I wanted to show you exactly what you get in a grab box, or an example of what you would get in a grab box. So you are guaranteed in this grab box that you would get 18 embellishment packs, one 6x6-inch pad, and 30 sheets of paper. And the cost of the box was $39 plus $12.50 shipping for a total of $51.50. Now, I'm not 100% sure of this, but I believe that if you spend $100, even if it includes one of the grab boxes, that shipping is free, but I'm not 100% sure of that. But it's something to check out if there are other Pinkfresh Studio items you'd like to buy. When they're offering the grab boxes, you might want to try putting those items in your cart along with a grab box and see if you can get free shipping if you're interested in spending $100. So I'm going to start with the embellishment packs, then I'll show you the 6x6-inch pad, and then I'll show you the 12x12-inch papers. We received embellishments from a number of different collections in this box. The first one I'm going to show you is called Happy Heart, and the very first item is this set of alphabet stickers. I love the way they're gold, and I love the way they're script. We also got these beautiful frames. I love the way they have the little nested frames, and inside there are some additional embellishments. And here are some enamel dots. I feel that you can always get use out of enamel dots. And here you could see the color palette of this collection. I think it's really pretty. We also got an ephemera pack, so lots of images. And then on the back of this pack, they show you all of the different pieces that you get. So there's a lot in here. There are 59 pieces. We also got these journaling bits. I can see that there's some banners, some tags, looks like some larger journaling pieces. We also got title ephemera, and I really like these. I noticed Pinkfresh Studio is doing this a lot lately. They're including words that could be used as decorative elements, as titles, as sentiments. I think that these are great to have along with the rest of the collection. There are 35 pieces in here. And then finally, we got some puffy stickers. And again, you could see the beautiful color palette of this collection, the butterfly and a backpack. I love the camera. Lots of cute images to use on your pages. Next, we got just one embellishment from the Holiday Magic collection, but you can't go wrong with a set of red letters, perfect for the holiday. We got two embellishment packs for this collection called Life Right Now, this green puffy sticker letter pack. And then again, we got these enamel dots. And these are just some great colors. I feel like these are some of the most used colors for me anyway. Another really pretty collection is called Keeping It Real, or Keeping It Real. And they included this set of tiny puffy stickers in the box, and I really love this size sticker. Sometimes I find it a little tricky to use letters when they're all different colors, but I really do like that size, and I love the way they have lots of numbers on the bottom. We also got quite a few embellishments from this collection called Some Days. So it has a green, red, and blue and pink color scheme. And there are lots of different sentiments, some journaling bits, some images to use on your pages. And this one is double-sided. Love these tags. And that one looks like a ticket. There are also some puffy stickers, or no, I'm sorry, these are not puffy stickers, these are chipboard stickers. So these are a little bit thicker. Again, they have the lemon and a ticket. Oh, I like this ticket to the art museum. I could definitely get some use out of that. Some flowers and a number of other images. Here we have some chipboard flair, so lots of circular items you could use on your page. There's that lemon again. We got an ephemera pack. There are 54 pieces. We actually got 2 ephemera packs. So there is this one. Let's see, on the back they show you all the images you get, lots of tabs and labels, titles, some images, some tickets. And then this one is a elements pack as well, 44 pieces. This one looks like it is florals. That one is absolutely beautiful. Love that one. And then, as you can see here, we have these enamel dots. I feel like I'm always happy to get enamel dots. Pretty much any color enamel dots are good for me because I always end up using them. So I was really happy to get that. And of course, they coordinate perfectly with the collection. And finally, the last embellishment that we got in this box is this The Best Day chipboard flair pack. So this is similar to the Some Days chipboard flair, but of course it's in the colors of this collection, which are a little bit more soft and muted. I love these sayings. I feel like you could use these on so many different layouts. So happy, fall vibes, BFFs, XOXO, love this. And then there's some cute sentiments too. The camera, the flower. Those are all the embellishments I got in my grab box. Of course, the contents of all the grab boxes, I'm guessing, are slightly different. Now I'm going to show you the 6x6-inch paper pad. So the paper pad that I got is The Best Day. There are 24 papers. They are double-sided, so I will make sure you can see both sides. So here is a flower, black and white flower, blue plaid, some stripes. There are some florals, a very tiny floral print. There's a floral print with a border. These are great. These are some cut aparts, and they're great on this smaller scale. I feel like they could be used in so many different ways than the larger cut aparts on the 12 by 12 inch sheets. I just love this color, this greenish blue color, and the flowers on that. There's yellow with some white leaves, some pink and yellow, some cute little bicycles. There's a dot. And this is made up of all little, looks like little like notebook pages with some images on them. There's a yellow gingham and some more branches. This one in all different colors. There's another one of those, I want to call it plaid. Is it plaid? It's made up of a whole bunch of different very thin lines. Here is a gray floral. And then we have this pinkish color on this side. And then here's another one of those cut apart sheets. And again, on the smaller scale, you could do something very different with them than you could on the larger scale. These would be more like details or little embellishments. And we have this line pattern over here, this very pretty blue and green floral. Here we have a circle with some flowers, and then there's a dotted blue background. And then we got this grid paper. It's all different shades of, looks like pink with a little bit of a coral cast on some of the squares. And on the other side of that, there are some glasses. And then the pad repeats itself. Now I'm going to show you all of the papers I got in my grab box. I'm starting off with the papers from the Keeping It Real collection. I love this paper. I think this is absolutely beautiful. I love the color scheme. I love the florals. I love the butterflies. I think this is a really pretty page. On the other side is this soft pink stripe. Here's a page with lots of everyday kind of items, ice cream, book, plants, and then some little sentiments mixed in as well. On the other side is this pretty, very tiny yellow print. Here's another page from Keeping It Real. At first I thought these were tags, but now I'm looking at them. They are definitely not tags, but you could fussy cut them out, or you could just use the paper as it is. And on the other side is this pretty turquoise paper. I love this color blue with the white writing on it. And the other side are these beautiful houses. Very nice. I love these. These are really nice colors. And those are all the pages from Keeping It Real. This is the next collection. It's called Life Right Now. We got a couple of pages from this collection. I love having pages that are kind of kitchen themed. We do a lot of baking. My older daughter is an excellent cook, so she does a lot of cooking in the kitchen, but I find a lot of opportunities to scrapbook those moments, so this will definitely come in handy. And then on the other side is this red and white print. And I find these are great for using with kitchen themed layouts as well. Here is a map. Love these little cars going in all different directions. And then a very bright yellow, very pretty design on the back. I think I like this page even more than the other one. I really like all of the colors, all of these tea kettles and cups. Really pretty. And then on the other side of this is this blue background with some white, red, and a whole bunch of other different colors mixed in. Here are some labels. Again, I think you could use this as it is. You could fussy cut some of these out. And the other side is this soft blue diagonal with the white stripe. I think this is my favorite paper. This is from the Happy Heart collection. It's a really, really pretty collection. I wish there were more of these papers. I really love them, but I'm happy with what I got. This is super pretty. And on the other side is this soft blue paper. I like this side as well, but I'm sure I'll be using this side just because I love it so much. Maybe I could use a little of each. This is the only other paper I got from the Happy Heart collection. I like these windows. I feel like you could cut them out or cut them so that they would flip open. And then there is a green background on this side with some branches that are white. These papers are from the Best Day. So these are papers we already saw in the 6x6 inch version. There are 2 sheets of this gray and white print with this pattern on the other side. This was pretty in the 6x6. I think you could really appreciate it even more in the 12x12. There's that blue floral with the yellow leaves. And then this is great in 12x12. This could be the background for a paper. For a page with the blue leaves and then this border all around. Here are some bicycles. Again, I think you could appreciate the pattern even more in the 12x12, and there are the multicolored dots. This beautiful floral page or branch page, and then on the other side we have those intersecting thin multicolored lines. There's the notebook page with the flowers on it with a yellow gingham on the back. And there's that pink grid page with some glasses on the back. I have a story to tell about glasses, so I might have to use the glasses side of that page. And there are the 12 by 12 inch cut aparts. And then of course, these can be used so differently than the 6 by 6 ones. This could be cut out and used as a tag. This could be a title for a page. Lots that you could do with the images on this page. And on the other side, oh, I love this color. Such a pretty color along with these white flowers. Really nice. And then there's that big circle with the flowers, the white border, the blue background with the white dots. And then that other really pretty blue floral. So that's everything from the best day. And then this is a collection that I really like. I purchased quite a bit of this collection. I'm always happy to have more of collections that I like. This one is called Happy Blooms. There's a green floral page and a really bold stripe. I love this page. Something about this page, I absolutely love this one. And I'm a big fan of blue and white. This looks a little bit closer to like a purplish blue, but I think that's really pretty. And on the other side is a pink print. This almost looks like a folk art kind of page. Very pretty with some very, very tiny hexagons on the back. Love the way they form a pattern. Here's a floral page. Definitely a nice spot in the center for putting your photo. And then a yellow print on the back. Still from Happy Blooms, there are some pink and yellow flowers. And then on the back, a whole bunch of sentiments. These would be great to cut apart or use in strips. And then here's a blue background with lots of pretty flowers. And I like this side a lot too with the different colors of pink. There is a pretty pink floral. And then on the back, we have a blue pattern. That was everything from Happy Blooms. So I got this sheet from Holiday Magic, and this is a really beautiful page. That's just gorgeous. I love that. I love the way they're all different color leaves, and then the stripes are all different colors as well. And then let's see, on the back of that is this blue print. There's another Holiday Magic. I love the berries with the leaves. And then there's a stripe on the back of that one. I love the idea of including yellow with Christmas collection. If you have the right collection of, or the right combination of colors, I feel like you could put any colors you want together as long as they're the right intensity. But here we have another page from Holiday Magic. I think that's so pretty as well. And I love the way they put in Christmas paper. I think that's great that they put that in before Christmas, so we could enjoy that before Christmas is over. There is a blue print on the back. And then finally, the last piece of paper has the green and the pink. And then on the back, that's a really beautiful holiday floral. So that's everything that I got in my grab box. I checked, they don't have them currently available, but they do frequently offer these grab boxes. I always feel like I got my money's worth. That's just my personal opinion. I really like the products and the collections that Pinkfresh Studio makes, and I think they're very generous in these boxes. 18 embellishment packs, 30 pieces of paper, and a 6 by 6 inch pad. I think that's a great value. I hope you enjoyed watching this, and I hope you'll join me again on my channel soon for some more unboxings and process videos. Take care, everybody. Have a great day. Bye-bye.